will fly.
Good day everyone. Today, I would like to discuss to you my ideas about the philosophical perspective of self by Socrates and Plato. And now, let us proceed to our Venn diagram. At ang una ko pong i-discuss sa inyo ay ang filosofiya ni Socrates. And the first one, his philosophy underlies in the importance of the notion knowing thyself. According to him, napaka-importante sa isang tao na dapat kilalanin niya ang kanyang sarili dahil nakasalalay ito sa ating sariling kakayahan at karunungan. At iyan ang ating magiging daan para maintindihan natin ang ating sarili. At dito pumapasok ang introspection or internal questioning. Sa idea ni Socrates na know thyself ay gusto nitong ipagbigay alam sa lahat na ang katotohanan ay matatagpuan sa ating sariling kalooban. And for the second one, all man must strive to discover the truth. Sabi po ni Socrates, kailangan nating magsipag at magsumikap sa buhay para makamit natin at matuklasan ang tunay na katotohanan. And for the last one, knowledge equals virtue equals happiness. According to Socrates, bago natin makamit ang happiness, we must first obtain knowledge na magsisilbing armas natin papunta sa mga pangarap natin at doon natin makakamit ang true happiness. And to summarize this idea, it is useful to express it in a simple formula. Knowledge equals virtue equals happiness. When we arrive at knowledge of virtue, we will become virtuous. And when we perfect our souls, we will attain true happiness. And now, dumako naman tayo sa filosofiya ni Plato. Okay, for their differences, the number one is the empirical reality. We experience in the experiential world is fundamentally unreal and is only a shadow or a mere appearance. Sabi ni Plato sa empirical reality na ang mga bagay na ating nakikita at nakakasalamuha sa mundong ibabaw ay hindi daw totoo. And the second one is the ultimate reality. It is a real as it is, eternal and constitutes abstract universal essences of things. Ang mga bagay na nabubuo sa ating isipan ay yun ang pinaniniwalaan ni Plato na totoo. And for the last one, he argued that the soul is eternal and constitutes the enduring self. Plato believed that the soul is immortal and separate from the body. Naniniwala si Plato na ang soul daw ay immortal or walang kamatayan at ito daw ay nakaseparate sa ating physical na katawan. Naniniwala siya na kahit patay na ang isang tao, ang ating soul ay nabubuhay pa rin sa mundong ibabaw. And now, let us proceed to their similarities. Okay, the first one, the two philosophers believe strongly in the concept of eudaimonia, which is basic human well-being and goodness, a Greek word commonly translated as happiness or welfare. Ang dalawang filosofiya ay naniniwala na ang pinaka-goal ng tao ay ma-obtain ang happiness na kanilang inaasam-asam. And for the last one, men's goal in life is to obtain happiness. Sabi ko nga kanina, the main goal ng isang tao ay ang ma-obtain or makuha nila yung kanilang sariling kaligayahan ng kanilang buhay. At iyan po ang aking ideas about the philosophical perspective of self ni Socrates and Plato. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.